Fire up my MacBook, open the ID. Just a gateway to Claude is all it be. Slash model, it better be opus. Slash effort, set it to max. Can't be lazy on us, working on a feature. Boss sent me the PRD, design art in Figma, but that's fine with me. I like the freedom, I'll set up a Ralph loop. UI will be a surprise, let's wait and see. Work faster, stop asking questions. I want that JavaScript. I want that JavaScript. Tokens are burning, code is churning. Claude's making less mistakes, good shows it's learning. It's done, let's go. This don't look right, oh no. Fix the error, fix the error. I want that JavaScript. I want that JavaScript. My mistake, app wasn't even running. npm run dev, JavaScript is bundling. Refresh the page, okay, UI looks stunning, but dive isn't centered. Time for some debugging, can't lie, I like this manual intervention. Let's open the component and do some code inspection. I add justify content center to make the correction. Also this code could be wrapped in a try, catch and throw in exception. I'm done, let's open a PR. I want that JavaScript. 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 I want that JavaScript.